This section is where you can find all of your leads in one list. Under the leads list, you may sometimes find an icon similar to the image below. These icons indicate the type of tasks assigned to this specific lead. It can be number of meetings, calls, or reminders set. This section gives you the information about your lead. You can find the lead's information on this section: the email, phone number, language, the company the leads work for, address. Also below, you will find to which vendor, manager, and department the lead was assigned. History includes detailed information on when the lead was created. You can find the custom fields attributed to your leads in the Custom Fields section. On the Submission tab, you can find the forms that your lead has submitted. You can find in this section the details of the form submitted, the date when the form was submitted, the workflow it triggered, referred by, and the IP address of the respondent. You can view the general information such as name, contact, details, address, custom fields, term logs, sales insight, percentage of the form completion. On the Notes tab, you can find the annotations that have been made for your lead. You might observe that there is a number beside the word Notes. This number indicates how many annotations have been made to your lead. Easily search for the notes with these filters. You can search using the title of the note or its content, the author of the note, or when the note was created. Title of the note. This section is for the content preview. You can view from here who is the author of the note and the date it was created. Click here to edit the note. On the Appointments tab, you can find the tasks that have been applied to your lead. The number beside the word appointment indicates how many tasks have been placed to your lead. Filters are available for easier search of your appointment. Under the Emails tab, you can see the log of emails sent and received. You may notice two icons beside the word Emails. This icon represents the email sent, while this icon represents the email received. Under the Docs tab, you can view all the documents associated with your leads. You can also upload documents from this tab by clicking Upload File or Add button. Email and phone number are two unique identifiers of information. If by any chance the same email or phone number is entered into the system will identify this information as a duplicate. It will prompt you to either merge or replace the records for the specific profile. On the Scoring tab, you can see the details how the lead acquired each score based on the categories you have set for your scoring. This tab will show you the list of campaigns associated with your lead.